Here's a comparison between Hume Band, Hoop, and Apple Watch. Hume Band is a smartwatch that you can actually use if you want to track your emotional stress or stress that you do when you're doing some hard work activities. This is actually all in one band and a very smart watch that you can use and put on your wrist. As you can see, it's very easy to use and can actually see how much energy you have lost. Next we have here is the Whoop. Whoop is the wearable designed for your progress. You can go ahead and get a picture of the health that you have, the energy that you lose, as well as you can optimize your sleep. Next is Apple Watch. On Apple Watch, it has different series unlike the Whoop and the other bands. And here there is Old 3, Series 11, and different designs that you can actually purchase. And this is actually a all-in-one watch because it can detect your sleep, your health, your cardiovascular, and many more. Now, here's a table for a concise comparison. Now, for a Hume band, its main focus is stress and emotion, and its key strength is the mental wellness insights. For the Whoop and Apple Watch, they are the same. Its main focus is recovery, and it is all around, and the key strength is for athlete metrics and smart features. So, if you want an all around watch, you can go ahead and purchase Whoop and Apple Watch. But if you like a band that can actually detect your emotional stress, then you can purchase Hume Band.